Hey everyone, welcome to the Tab Organizer channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to install the Tab Organizer Chrome extension. This extension is a must-have if you want to keep your tabs organized and your browsing experience clutter-free. Let's get started. First of all, open the taborganizer.com website. Here you will see Add to Chrome button. Just click on it and you will be redirected to the extension page on the Chrome Web Store. Here, to install the extension, simply click the blue Add to Chrome button on the right. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Just click Add extension to proceed. Once you have added the extension, you will see a notification confirming that Tab Organizer has been installed. To make sure Tab Organizer is always accessible, you might want to pin it to a toolbar. Click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner to open the extensions menu. Find Tab Organizer in the list and click the pin icon next to it. Now it will always be visible in your toolbar for easy access. You are all set. Just click on the Tab Organizer icon to start managing your tabs more efficiently. In my next videos, I will show you how to use all the amazing features of Tab Organizer, so make sure to check that out.